United Kingdom. United Kingdom is an island. England is situated in the south of United Kingdom. In the north there is Scotland. In the west there is Wales. In the east the North Sea, and in the south France.
Elizabeth I is the Queen of UK. She lives in Buckingham Palace in London.
The population of England is approximately 51,446,000 people.
London is the capital. Other cities: Manchester, Liverpool, Birmingham, Leeds.
The British currency is the point sterling. The sign for the point is
British food has traditionally been based on beef, lamb, pork, chicken and fish, and generally served with potatoes and one other vegetables. The most common and typical foods eaten in Britain include the sandwich, fish and chips, pies like the Cornish pasty, trifle and roast dinners.
the most important rivers is Thames. Peterborough is a capital of England.
Lion statue. The most important monuments of England is Lion statue, Westminster, Big Ben, Seymour Castle and Priory, Tower Bridge.
Popular team sports in England are football, cricket, rugby and baseball. Individual sports include athletics, tennis, golf, motorsports, horseshoe and badminton.
This is a typical bird. The red deer.
This is the telephone of England. Are red or black?
Stop.